Okay, so let's talk about why a predictable customer journey framework matters to your business in the first place. And I want to share 4 irrefutable truths that make this meaningful. And when we accept and embrace these irrefutable truths, they unlock what's capable in our business. The first one is that your ability and your inability to produce revenue is directly and proportionally tied to the experience that your leads, prospects, and customers are having. The second one is that experience is happening with or without your acknowledgement. It's happening with or without your permission, your consent, or your design. And the third irrefutable truth is that experience is really only 2 things. It's the combination of message and mechanics. Message are the words and ideas and content that your leads, prospects, and customers are consuming, and the mechanics are the steps and the nuances of the journey that they're taking to consume those messages. Now, the fourth irrefutable truth is the marriage of message and mechanics is what produces emotion, and it's emotion that produces behavior. And you, my friend, are in the business of producing behaviors that produce business. So imagine being intentional with how you design your customer journey to deliberately produce the emotions that have the highest likelihood to produce the behaviors that you actually want from your leads, prospects, and customers. And then imagine having simple data to show you how those people are behaving through that customer journey. That's where predictability comes from, and that's where confidence comes from, because you've got clarity in how your business is actually operating, how likely someone is to go from awareness to acquisition, from acquisition to engagement, from engagement to offer, from offer to close, and from close to ultimately consuming your product, service, or offering, and then being someone who is a raving fan and an advocate. Those patterns are what create predictability. And predictability isn't inherently a positive or negative thing. Predictability is just your degree of confidence that something is going to happen. And so when we have the clarity around how our leads, prospects, and customers are behaving through the journey, we can now make informed decisions as the business owner to improve that customer journey and increase the chances that our leads, prospects, and customers are going to behave the way that we would like them to, so we can ultimately grow the business.
Okay. I want to pause there to highlight one thing Justin said. Predictability isn't inherently good or inherently bad. It's just predictable, right? And lifecycle marketing, the framework, it's not a roadmap. It's more like a compass. It doesn't mean you haven't or won't make a wrong turn. It just means it'll be easier to identify it when you do. And the benefit of having this compass is it can help you avoid detours or spot obstacles before they become impediments, right? Or even find a quicker route. And in your business, this looks like increased focus or easier prioritization of the things that will actually move the needle in a meaningful way for your business. So that is it for now. Mark this module as complete, and we will see you in the next video.